Here's a quick little build montage I put together of that process.
What slide this is? Has everything on it. Yeah. This is two sizes, right? We'll talk about this.
The final product came out awesome, and it was exactly what we wanted. A perfect little pocket demo part to sort of show off the capabilities of these machines, and specifically now the FX10 because it can print all the parts of this knife. Plus, it's something that's actually functional that I can use every day. So I hope this was as fun for you guys to watch as it was for me to make, and I hope it provided some insight on the capabilities of these types of industrial 3D printers.